Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. I go pure and pen. Some are late. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Where did I stop yesterday? I go pure pen.
Husband, right?
You give us a month, but we stop at 28, page 28.
Homework. Page 28, student's book or what book?
Course page 28, number 2 is homework, and workbook 16 to 19 is homework.
Oh, yes.
Number 2.
I'm waiting for the others. Just a minute. Most students from this class are not punctual. We are late. We are supposed to start from number 4. Oh, it is important and most are late. You could not join at once. What's the problem? Mimedy, we are going to do page 28. And as there are a few students, so I will start with workbook.
Student book or workbook, Chef?
Wait, course book is page 28. I'm waiting for the others. Workbook. I gave you homework. I will do that. Unit 3. Okay, 4 are here now, so I cannot wait for the others. And let's start with homework. Page 18. Page 18. Number 1, right? Minadi. Then, do I have to start from number 1?
Wait, so Chef, you forgot 16 and 17?
Yeah, 16. 16. Yeah.
16. Oh, okay. Oh, that is the null. Word search. Number 1. Yeah. As it is the word search, I will ask you. Number 1. Together, what did you put number 1?
And type.
Rise and fall. So it must be
Hi.
No.
Kite.
Tide. Yeah.
Panko. Okay, wait. It's quite confusing. Panko view number 1. What is the answer?
Tide. Tide.
Yes, correct. Next one. Then number 2.
Fresh.
Number 2 is the
Fresh.
kind of water you find in most lakes. Yeah. Fresh. Fresh. Yes, correct. And next, number 3. Key. How about number 3? Key number 3. Hello. Key, do you know what we are doing? We are doing page 16. Workbook. Chose Ajo. Did you do homework? You should do homework. Minadi.
Yes, sir.
Number
It's-
3.
Delta.
How to spell?
DELTA.
Yes, delta. And next one. Supi, we are doing workbook. Page 16.
Yes, sir.
Crossword. Please check that. I'm doing number 4 now.
Okay.
Number 4. Sophie, are you ready? Can I ask you now?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4. What is number 4 answer?
Number 4 answer is source.
Number 4 is source. How to spell?
SOURCE. So
Yes. And next one, pen.
Sediment.
Number 7 is sentiment.
No,
Yes.
number 5. I mean number 5.
And number 5, sentiment. How to spell?
SEDIMENT.
Yes. Minity, next one. How about number 6?
I didn't get the answer.
Really? Key, how about number 6? The flatland between 2 hills. How do we call that? Geographical term. Pen,
Valley.
valley. How to spell?
VALLEY.
Yes. Paikopyo. Next one.
I may ask is marsh.
Number 7, marsh or marshes?
Marsh. Oh, marshes.
Yes, marshes.
Marshes.
And next one. Pen.
I number 8.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know the pronounce. Estuary. EST.
Estuary.
Yeah.
Estuary. 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 Supi. 9.
Number 9 bank.
Yeah, how to spell?
BANK bank.
Yes. And next one, Minati. Number 10.
Is crocodile.
Yes, crocodile, everybody knows it. And 11, Key. Key, did you do homework?
Your one, number 1, right? Stop there.
I'm
Crosswalk,
workbook,
right?
page 16. Workbook, page 16. Crossword. I'm doing 11.
Yes. Rainfall.
Yes, rainfall, correct. And next, number 12. Paikopyo, number 12.
Sea.
Yes, sea, correct. Because the name of the Mediterranean. Okay, let's go to number 2, page 17. Page 17. I will start with number 1. What is the answer for number 1? Pen.
Linen.
Number 1 is already given.
Oh yeah, flash.
Flax. How about number 2? Key.
I don't catch the answer for that, teacher.
Everybody, what do you think?
Linen.
Linen.
Linen, yeah.
Yeah, linen. And next, number 3. I think it is easy. Everybody say, what is that? Number 3.
Road.
Road.
Road. How about number 4?
Coat.
Boat.
Mat.
Nice.
Mat. Yeah, number 6.
Serious.
Cereals.
Yeah, some students are serious, but how about papyrus? Did you check the picture of papyrus?
No, I didn't.
PAPYRUS.
Yeah. Papyrus is like cereal is more like that.
Teacher, paper is not same.
Not
Like,
the same as
yeah,
that. It is cereals. Some students are confused. And it is cereals. So no papyrus here. Okay, let's go to number 3.
Teacher, can you tell the number 2 answer again?
Number 2 is linen.
Oh, linen. Okay.
Yes. I want to check number 3. Soupy. Verb tenses.
Yes.
People.
Yes. Number 1.
Yeah, could you please read? I want you to read it.
People have lived along the bank of the Nile for thousands of years.
Yes, in this case, why do you put have lived? Why do you put have lived?
Because for thousands of years.
Yes, for thousands of years. That is why it must be have lived. Go on reading.
The ancient Egyptian planned their lives around the level of the river.
Life of the river.
The life of the river.
Why do you put planned? Past tense. Why? The ancient Egyptians. The ancient Egyptians. So it is about the past. Do you agree? Yes. That is why it must be past tense. Okay. Good. And next one. Fine, you go on reading. Every year.
Every year, June, the river flooded. Flooded. Yeah, flooded. But when the flood have gone, the sediment that was left behind provide wonderfully fertile soil to grow crops for food.
Don't read word by word, read quickly. Number 3 is had gone. Why do we use had gone? Because the second sentence, the sediment was left behind, provided wonderfully. And in the first part, every year in June, the river flooded. So it is past tense. That is why you are supposed to use had gone. And also sediment was left. Past tense. Okay, this time, Ben, go on.
Cereals, vegetables, and fruits were growing on the bank of the Nile. People could also catch fish in the river. At the time, fish was the main source of animal protein for most people.
And number 3 is had gone finished. And number 4 was left. Number 5 must be where grow. Why? because it is passive. Cereals, vegetables, and fruits. It is general, so and it must be where grown, right? They are not doers. It must be passive. And number 6. And I want to your pen. Number 6, read the last line. At the time.
At the time, fish was the main source of animal protein for most people.
Why do we put was?
Because faster.
The whole task is about the past. We are supposed to use past tense, so it must be was. Okay. Now I will go to 18. Page 18, number 1. Number 1, I will check quickly. Everybody, picture number 1 is number 1. Look at the diagram. What are you going to put for number 1?
Water.
Evaporation.
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 Evaporation. How about number 2?
Number 2, condensation.
Yes. Number 3?
Wind.
Wind. How about 4?
Precipitation.
4 is precipitation. 5?
Runoff.
Runoff. 5? Runoff. Correct. Okay, let's go to number 2. And I will check. Pure number 1.
When the rivers on the Earth's surface is heated by the sun, it turns into water vapor which rise into the air. This is called evaporation.
The first one is water. The second one is heated. And next one is into the air. This is called evaporation. Okay, next. Sufi. How about number 2?
Clouds are formed from water vapor which cools at its rise, turning into tiny drops of liquid water. This is called condensation.
Yes. Number 2, the first one is clouds are formed. And second, cools, which cools as it rises. And next one is condensation. All right. Then 3.
Clouds are blowing inland by the wind.
3 clouds, correct. Minute. 4.
Clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth as rain or snow. This is called precipitation.
The first one is rain or snow. The second one is precipitation. And next, number 5, Tapuzin. Tapuzin, do you know where we are?
What book?
Yes, what book? Page number 18. Page number 18. What book? Page 18, number 5.
The water from rain and melted snow is taken by rainfall.
No. Go on reading. Go on reading. It's okay. Read. Back to the river, to the sea. Go on. This is called. Did you do homework?
Actually,
Yeah,
I believe yesterday.
You could watch the lessons through YouTube, and you can prepare for the next day. Remedy, the first blank. What did you put?
Rivers.
Yes, second blank.
Runoff.
Yes, runoff. Let's go to page 19. For page 19, I gave you homework. I think number 3 is homework.
Yes.
Let's see. Join the two sentences using who or which. Look at the first one. Marco Polo wrote a book about his travel in Central Asia and China. He was born in Venice. So he is Marco Polo. So Marco Polo, who was born in Venice, wrote a book about his travels in Central Asia and China. Okay, let's start with 2. Sophie, number 2, answer please.
You said in comment.
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Number 2,
The Galapagos
Island.
Islands, which are part of Ecuador, are in the Pacific Ocean.
Ecuador. Yeah, it is okay. And the second possible one is like the Galapagos Islands, which are in the Pacific Ocean, are part of Ecuador. That is also okay. And next, number 3, Minity.
Jaguars jaguars which live in South and Central America are good swimmers.
Yes. More than one possible answer. Jaguars, which are good swimmers, live in South and Central America. It is also okay. Number 4.
Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa who
I think your answer is wrong because Nelson Mandela, look at the second sentence. He spent over 27 years in prison. It is about Nelson Mandela. So you need to use relative pronoun who. Nelson Mandela, who spent over 27 years in prison. And the main one is was the first black president of South Africa. Nelson Mandela, who spent over 27 years in prison, was the first black president of South Africa. You can use short form as much as you. He. How about next? Number 5. He. Okay. Binary. Ahmed.
Number 5, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ahmed ibn Fadlan, who was a famous 10th century traveler, wrote one of the earliest accounts of Vikings.
Of the Vikings. Yes, correct. View number 6.
And how to pronounce?
Turin.
And
The Turin purpose
the Turin purpose
is thought
map, which is drawn on papyrus, right, is thought to be the oldest map of Egypt.
Yes, correct. Yeah, you want to put that. Okay, the Turin map, which is thought to be the oldest map of Egypt, is drawn on papyrus. It is correct. Another way, the Turin papyrus map, which is drawn on papyrus, is thought to be the oldest map of Egypt. To be
How to pronounce that?
Tutankhamun.
Tutankhamun, who ruled from about 1336 to 1327 BCE, is the most famous of the Egyptian what is that?
Pharaohs. First of all, I want to say how to read the years. For the years, you need to divide into 2 parts. And you have to start from the front, like 1336, 1327. You cannot read the other way because these are years. So Sufi, say again. The way you read is wrong.
Yes, Tutankhamun, which ruled from 1336 to 1327, is the most famous of the Egyptian
Pharaohs.
pharaohs.
You cannot omit some words. Tutankhamun. Yeah, there are two ways. Who is the most famous of the Egyptian pharaohs? Ruled from about 1336 to 1327 BCE. Or your answer is also correct. Both are correct.
Teacher,
Yes.
homework number 3, I answer like jaguars who live in South and Central America are good swimmer.
Yes, it's fine. There are two ways. Sometimes two answers are possible. Let's go to number 4. In your notebook, write an account of a school trip to an outdoor activity center using these notes. Use which where you can. You know, these are the notes. You have to make sentences to form a paragraph. You are given the example for the first one. So you need to put the suitable words. It is about a school trip. The title is a school trip. So it is about your school trip. Last week, school trip to an outdoor activity center, very exciting. For these facts, you can make sentences like last week. It is about your school trip. More than one. So you can put we. More than one. You can put we. And for the school trip, we use verb. Verb is go on a school trip, but past tense. So it must be last week, comma, right? We went on a school trip. We have a fixed expression like go on a school trip. So past tense, change it into past tense, then it will be went. We went on a school trip to an outdoor activity center. Very exciting. That is another sentence. So you must join two sentences with relative pronouns which. Which. Oh, I'm sorry, not here. Another one is here. Comma, which. Oh, which. Exciting is adjective. So you are supposed to put verb to be. Verb to be is followed by adjective. So which was very exciting. Which was very exciting. Got it? You need to put suitable subject and verb. Use some conjunctions. Please join the sentences. I have already shown you as an example. Can you do it? Or do I need to show the second one?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay. Those who need help, raise your hand. You can show hand signal. I will help. It is useful for writing, so please do it now. Sophie, where is the blank?
Okay. The star line is boats, and can we put something in front of the boat?
Of course, the specific one. So the boats.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I change it like this? We went over a small waterfall instead of like how to say we visit.
Yeah. If you want to change the other verb, it is better actually. We visited. You want to avoid repetition.
Yeah.
Fine.
Can I use even though instead of which?
Which one?
The fourth line, water not very deep. Instead of saying like water which was not very deep was extremely cold, I will write like this. What even though water was not very deep, it was extremely cold. Is that okay?
So that it is grammatically correct and it is suitable. And according to the instruction, you are supposed to use which. So the first one is concerned with this exercise. Your sentence is not wrong.
So what should I write?
Yeah, you can use which. The second way is not concerned with this lesson.
Okay.
But it is correct. It's not wrong. It's good.
So what does 1 over mean?
1 over a small. It is something like visit.
Ah.
And another way, like in this case, learn, you check a small waterfall because it was a bit of a surprise, right? It was quite surprising. That is why you visited there to know about that small waterfall. It is one.
Hello, Chair.
Okay, what do you want to ask me? Finished? Wait, I cannot. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, so someone was asking me.
No, because I thought I was lucky.
Oh, me too. Testing. Finished? Can I check?
No finish. Yeah, no finish.
Yeah, if you don't leave. Okay, for the sake of time, I want to check. The second one, Pankopyu, please reach. I could not see you. I think
Okay, okay, sure. Second one, right?
Is your camera on or off?
Off.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes. I could not see anyone. Yeah, see. The second one.
My sentence. Right.
Yes. Subject is missing, so
Okay.
subject is missing.
We went what? We went whitewater rafting, which was quite scary.
Yeah, we also, right? You can
We
put
also went.
we also went whitewater rafting. It is one activity. And you want to say which was quite scary, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go on. Ben, how many? Only 3 are here. What's wrong with the others? Ben,
Yeah.
how about next?
We took boats for about 6 people, which travel really fast down the river.
Yeah, wait. That is the specific one, so you are supposed to use the boats. And you can use relative pronoun, so which, and it is finished, past tense, because of last, where, verb to be. The boats which were for about 6 people, verb is traveled really fast down the river.
So my sentence is different.
Yeah, say, how about your sentence?
The boat which could carry for about 6 people traveled really fast on the river.
It is okay, which could carry for about 6 people. Yeah, it is better. I would, it is good. So I will write that. Okay. Both are correct. Travel really fast down the river. And amenity. How about next?
Okay. Oh, my sentence was like the boat, not the boat. We rowed outside.
Oh, we rowed the boats.
Yeah, is that okay?
We rowed the boats for which could carry for about 6 people and traveled really fast down the river. Actually, it is about the boats.
Yeah.
How about next?
Yeah.
What?
Also, no.
The
Water which was not very deep was
It is
extremely cold.
the specific water from that place, so it must be the water.
The water which was not very deep was extremely cold.
You are supposed to use which, so you use which was not very deep, and that is extra information. So comma, very deep, comma, was extremely cold. And how about next sentence?
Me? Okay. Actually, it's connected. The water which was not very deep was extremely cold. No. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. We didn't want to fall in.
The water. We didn't, this sentence is we didn't want to fall. Yes, correct. Subject is we. Fine, Kopyo, go on. Next sentence.
We went over a small waterfall, and we were a bit of surprise. Yes.
We went over, yes, you can use went over, or we visited, we want to change. Actually, yeah, it means We checked a small waterfall. And then how about the second part?
And we were a bit of spot.
We went over a small waterfall.
Or wait.
Which clause, right? It was a bit of a surprise.
Yes.
Okay, next. Ben.
Okay. The kind instructor encouraged us, which made us feel more confident.
The instructor, it is fine. The instructor encouraged us. The specific one, so you need to put the.
What
Yeah,
about our
Yeah, wait, one by one.
okay. I put the kind instructor.
Oh,
KIN.
the instructor is okay. The
Yeah.
instructor encourage us.
Which
Great. Okay. Minady, can you give me your answer?
our instructor? I wrote.
Oh yes, our instructor is also fine. No problem. It's okay.
the
Mm.
the water, which not very deep, was extremely good, and I put quotation and we didn't went for it.
Are these related? The water which was not very deep, which was not very deep, was extremely cool, and it is fine. You can join two sentences with and. It's not wrong,
It's true.
correct? Correct.
Teacher, I have a different answer again.
Which one?
That sentence again. Oh, the water, which was not very deep, was extremely cold that we didn't want to fall in. It's like so that for me.
Oh. The water which was not very deep was so extremely cold
No.
that.
No, there's no so. Was extremely cold that.
The water which was very deep was extremely cold.
Because I thought so and extremely are nearly the same. So
Yeah, was extremely cold that we didn't want to fall in. Yeah, it is okay. How about the last sentence? This time, Key, can you say the last sentence?
Yes. The hot chocolate and cake after trip, which is very nice.
The hot chocolate and cake, the specific one, so you need to put there. Yeah, after the trip.
After the trip,
Hmm.
which is very nice.
Cake. The cake, the hot chocolate and the cake after the trip.
Which
And
was very nice.
there is no verb yet. And
Yes.
hot chocolate and the cake too. So it must be where,
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
but they are uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Are they?
Yeah. Can you say?
Hot chocolate and cake are the uncountable nouns, isn't it?
But two types of things. The hot chocolate and the cake. Two. So we have to use where.
Can I say it like this? We enjoy hot chocolate and cake after trip, which was very nice and made us warm.
You made it longer. It is okay. It's correct.
For me, I wrote like we had some hot chocolate and cake after the trip, which was very nice.
It is okay. That answer is also okay. All right. So we have taken time for this lesson. Let's go to you. I will keep you home with me. Before that, I will go. I will do students learner's book. So everybody, let's go to learner's book. Later, I will do the exercises from workbook. Page number, I think summary, right? We discussed summary.
Yeah, page 28, number 2.
I let you think, I let you write your own summary. And this time, I will let you choose number 2. Everybody, page 28, number 2. Uh, 28, sorry. Here, summary, pen. Which one would you like to choose?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it described people escape and the building were destroyed, and like the name of disaster tsunami and the place, the girl, even though the girl ages. Yeah, I think that's why.
What is the main idea of that paragraph? I know. You can look at the title too.
Teacher, what do you mean?
What is the main title of that story? 12-year-old girl saved islanders from tsunami.
Yeah, about 12 years old girl.
Minati, how about you? How about your choice?
We eat the number 2.
Really?
Yeah, because it makes sense. Number 1, for number 1, it doesn't make sense, and also it didn't mention the girl really much. For number 3, it doesn't really make sense. Like the sentences are spread out, and they didn't use that grammar structure really well. That's why.
How about Sophie? How about your reason?
Also number 2, because in number 1 they don't have the girl age, and in the paragraph it said 12 years old girl saved islander from tsunami. So I think number 2 is more suitable.
It is about. Wait. How about Pankopyo?
I have no idea about it.
Let's see number 1.
The number 1 is also correct, because a tsunami hit an islander near Chile. Okay.
Yeah, tsunami. It is about tsunami, right?
Yeah.
So the main information is here. A tsunami hit an island near Chile. Let's discuss 1 and 3. And also a tsunami hit, the island name is given. All right, more specific, and near Chile. So this information is more exact. And the main thing is about a girl. What did a girl do? A girl ran the emergency people. And what happened? People ran to safety. Houses and buildings were destroyed. Yeah, most people survived because a girl ran the emergency bell. Most houses and buildings were destroyed. So which sentence is much better?
I stayed in number 2 because number 1 is not describe the gay age.
Me either. I prefer number 2.
Most houses and say again, most houses and let me can you say again, Pen? So number 1, what is the problem?
Yeah, because it doesn't describe the gay age. Yeah, I that's why I don't choose number 1,
No, wait. It describes
the gay age, 12 years old.
oh, is that important?
Because of the top is 12 years old. See,
Yes, but what information is more interesting? It is about the main idea of this paragraph is about the tsunami and about the girl. So here in paragraph 2, most people were now building survived a tsunami on Robinson Crusoe. So that sentence, excuse me.
Teacher, if you were me, what would you choose?
And say,
If you were
actually,
me, what would you choose?
yeah. In my point of view, 3 is the best. 3 is the best. And most students
Really?
have chosen 1 and 3. They don't choose 2. Because 2 is,
Really?
Yeah.
yeah, that's why I'm surprised. Only this class, the students from this class have chosen number 2.
Yeah, because all the age, yeah, I choose number 2. If the age is not important, I will choose number 1. Yeah, not gonna lie.
Yeah, most students will choose 1 or 3, not 2, because the sentence pattern, is started with an important information. In 1 and 3, you are supposed to write in that way. The main focus. It is about a tsunami. And I prefer 3. Actually, nothing is wrong. I just asked 3. But the best one is 3. And information is that Robinson Crusoe. And what did the girl do? The girl ran the emergency bell. People ran. So the sentences are in order. And number 1 is also not so bad. And why did tsunami hit? And what happened? Most people survived because a girl ran the emergency bell. And number 2 is not wrong, but it means it is not the best. Number 2 is not wrong. It is also a summary. So you just, in this case, the main focus is about the people and about the people. So it is something concerned with your theme, your objective, right? Your main aim. Which one would you like to focus on? And this passage is about a tsunami. So you can start with a tsunami, and here your main focus is about the people, here about a girl. So 1 and 3 are the most suitable answer. 2 is not wrong, but 1 and 3 are better. And compared to 1, 3 is much better because the information is more exact, and the main focus is at the beginning of the sentence. So the idea is that if you want to book, that is why we use passive sometimes, in some sentences. It is something concerned with your main focus. If you would like to focus on a tsunami, you need to put it at the front. It will be more interesting. Okay, I think it is enough. And now I will go to use of English, relative clauses, defining. This time, defining. I hope you read defining.
Question. Right?
Defining relative clauses.
Defining relationship clauses define exactly what you're talking about. Robinson Crusoe is the largest of the islands which make up the
Bernadette.
Planet archipelago. People ran to high ground for safety, escaping the massive wave that was caused by an earthquake off the coast of Chile.
Yes.
Notice that you can also use preposition before which, including the school at which Martina was a student.
Okay, I will explain. Defining clause. Define exactly what you are talking about. Robinson Crusoe is the largest of the islands. And largest of the islands, which make up the Juan Fernandez archipelago. In this case, the red phrase is important. It is more meaningful. So you don't need to put comma. It is meaningful, so you don't need to put comma. People run to high ground for safety, escaping the massive wave. So you would like to give more information about massive wave that was caused by an earthquake off the coast of Chile. In this case, the red information is important, so you don't need to put comma. They are called defining clauses. Sometimes, for which, you can use preposition too, like at which. So, can also use preposition before which. It depends on the situation, including the school at which Martina was a student. Right? Now, I will go to number 4. Add the sentences in column 2 to the questions in column 1 using which or that. And for example, read the example. What's the name? Then read. What is the name? The first one.
What is the name of the island which or that is off the south coast of Australia?
Wait, island. What is the name of the island? So island, you want to refer to the island, you want to give more information. So it is important. The information is important, so it is defining clause. As it is the island, you can use that or which. Both are correct. But you don't need to put comma. And the second one is, it is number C, right? It is number C. So the answer is C. C is for number 1. But as you have already used which or that, you don't need to put it. You don't need to use it. Which is off the south coast of Australia. Can you do 2 to 6? Match quickly. Hey, I haven't seen anyone students work. Writing.
What is it? Can you say again?
Writing.
Pros and cons of.
Who was handed in writing? Me, Nadi, did you hand in writing?
Not yet.
Nobody has handed in writing.
The deadline is Friday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Can I check?
Yeah, finished.
It is enough. Yeah. Pen, do number 2.
What is the name of city in Chile? Which is the nearest to Juan Fernandez Archipelago?
Yes, correct. And next, number 3, Minity.
What's the name of the river that runs between Paris and France?
The pronunciation is different. In France, yes, correct. Which runs through. Okay, next, Pangopio.
Yeah. One way the earthquake and tsunami. Which destroyed Livingston, the capital of Portugal.
Portugal, yes, correct. Which destroyed. Pen,
What is the name of the crocodile, which is the world's largest reptile?
yes. 6, Minity.
What's the name of the sea which is between the north of Africa and the south of Europe?
Yes.
So here, so we can put that wish either in that sentence.
Yeah, can you read your sentence?
I mean all of sentence. Can we put that instead
Yeah,
of which?
that is okay. Okay.
Yeah, I have a question.
Which is more common, that is why we use which. That is okay. It's grammatically correct.
Yeah, I have a question.
What is
Question. Yeah, I have got a question to ask you.
oh, yes, say.
When were the earthquake and tsunami which destroyed Lisbon, the capital of Portugal? What does that mean? When were the earthquake and what does that mean?
One were the earthquake and tsunami, which destroyed Lisbon, not the other earthquake and tsunami. Does the earthquake and tsunami, which destroyed Lisbon, right? It is not important. Okay. Which destroyed Lisbon? So you want to know the time.
At the time.
Yes, it is fine. That's okay.
Okay.
So I won't do this. Yes, so we have finished Unit 3. I will go back to workbook, Unit 3, and reading. I will go to reading. Okay, workbook. For the time being, please look at the book. I will go to page, I will do page 20. This one. Saved by the bell. I will let you read this paragraph, right? The different writing style, but you know the content already. I will let you do this 1 to 6. Do it quickly. 1 to 6 first. It's easy. For example, here, I hope you read number 1. The text below is from.
This video is from Unit 3 in your corpus. Read it again and find the word for the following.
For example, number 1, a shaking movement. What is a shaking movement?
Earthquake.
Really? Everybody, in this paragraph, another word for a shaking movement.
Tremor.
Tremor.
I don't know. Yeah.
Where do you see that answer?
In the third sentence, I mean.
Yes, correct. Motorana felt an earth tremor. You see that? So the answer is tremor.
Yeah, where's the book? Because I was looking. What book?
Yes, what book? Page number 20. Readings. Saved by the bell. I will do together with you for number 2, so I let you do number 1 quickly. Vocabulary work. Tremor is a kind of movement, but a slight earthquake, not very big earthquake. That is called tremor.
Teacher, is trauma the answer for number 1?
Correct. Number 1 is tremor. In third line. Because you are supposed to take the words from the passage, not from outside. Finished? Okay, I think it is enough. Number 2, Pan Ko Pyo. Read.
An area of calm water next to the land where boats are safe.
So, area of calm water next to the land.
Oh,
So, in that paragraph, which word is given? Vinadi, your answer, please. Number 2.
Harbor, I guess.
Harbor.
Harbor.
How to spell?
Harbor.
Where do you see it?
The fifth line of the first.
Yeah, the 5th line. In the harbor, we're bobbing up and down. Do you see that? The answer is harbor. Let's go to 3. Key. Moving quickly up and down. Then number 3. Come on, quickly. Hello, Ben.
Yeah,
Quickly up and down.
bobbing.
Bobbing. Correct. It is bobbing. Where is it?
Is fifth sentence. Yeah.
The harbor was bobbing up and down. So it means, yeah, bobbing. And next, number 4. Pai Ko Pyo.
inhabitation of island.
In island. Yeah, inhabitants mean people or living things who live on an island. That is called inhabitants. So another word for inhabitants. Easy. See, what is the answer for number 4? Inhabitants of an island. Minadi, number 4.
Islanders.
Islanders. Go number 5, Ben.
Massive.
No, massive is adjective. It means big. But it says moved quickly. And with a lot of force. Who wants to say?
Wave.
No, it is,
Quick.
it is moved quickly. It is a verb.
Crash.
So it's earthquake.
Crashed. Possible. Where is crushed?
Is wait.
Fourth
Let me
last
count.
line. Fourth last line. Fourth last line, right? Crashed onto the land and swept 300 meters into the village. So it must be crushed. How about number 6? Pai Ko Pyo. Badly damaged.
And terrified.
Terrifying means very scary. But it says badly damaged. The main meaning is badly damaged.
Destroyed.
Huh? Say, your answer is okay. Badly damaged means
Destroyed.
destroyed. How to spell?
DESTROY.
ED.
ED.
You need to put ED. Where do you see?
Less than.
Yeah, less than that. Here. Pai Ko Pyo, why didn't you put ED? Here, damaged. Broken.
Oh, yes. Broken. Yeah.
So it must be destroyed. The same form. Okay? Verb, adjective, noun, they must be the same. Okay, now I will do this one. Only 5 minutes left. Number 2, look carefully at the style of the article. This time we will analyze the writing style. These style, These types of questions can be asked in the exam, in the reading test. iGCSE reading is quite similar to this. For example, number 1, pen, read and underline.
Underline words and phrases in the text which the journalist used to add drama to the account. The first one stand for you question.
Yes. Here, I just want to put, want you to underline the question. You will be asked the similar question like, which words are used to add drama to the account? Drama, you know, the reader can visualize. It's not a part, you know, that it is quite lively. Add drama to the account. So you are given the example in the test. Crushing, look at 5th line, bobbing up and down and crashing into each other. What are they? The fishing boats in the harbor are bobbing up and down and crashing into each other. So the example is crushing. It is a sort of word to add drama to the account. Can you give me the other? In the test for number 1, can you say?
Tremor.
Tremor is movement, right?
Yeah.
But how should I say? One word is, in this case, tremor is earthquake. Another word for earthquake is, small earthquake is called tremor. But it doesn't add drama to the account, but the way of, you are analyzing the writing style. You know, writing style. Don't forget it, the style of writing. So add drama to the account. In this case, another phrase is felt and earth trauma. You know, the character felt and earth trauma. So it shows that is called phrase, a group of words. Phrase, that phrase is to add drama to the account. That phrase is used to add to the account. So I will put another phrase in this case, not only one word, but and earth tremor. Okay, next one.
Massive wave.
Can you say louder?
Massive wave.
What kind of wave? Massive wave. But I want you to put one more word. It shows, you know, drama to the account. Adding drama to the account. Do you notice the first one? Crushing. So you could visualize what is going on. So here, massive wave, just read before that word. What is that, man?
Escaping the massive wave.
The massive wave is quite okay, but to add drama to the account, you know, you use verb ing so that you can visualize what is going on. Escaping the massive wave. Say. So do you understand the phrases and the words that are used to add drama to the account now?
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, it's something on literature.
No, we need it for dramatic back.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
You are right. I think you have experienced chap 1. You know, chap 1 is more difficult than this. Say.
Martinez, quick thinking, is that also okay?
Where?
In the middle of the sentence. In paragraph.
Oh, yeah. What kind of thinking? Quick thinking. What else? What else? Dramatic form to make it simple. It
Like-
means dramatic. Do you know drama? Do you know drama?
yeah.
Yeah. Add drama to the account means dramatic form.
Yeah, like dialogue. How about what about yeah? It was terrifying. Terrifying.
Terrifying. Yeah, it is possible. Next one. Excuse me. Look at crushing. The meaning, the isamba is already given. Crushing in that sentence. I will read out. Please find another dramatic form. She looked out of the window and noticed that the fishing boats in the harbor were bobbing up and down and crashing into each other. Here, crushing is one dramatic form. Another one.
Bobbing.
Bobbing what?
Bobbing up
Up. Not finished yet.
and down.
Bobby up and down.
Bobbing up and down. It is a sort of dramatic form.
The Java immediately
Yeah,
destroyed.
immediately what? Immediately.
Destroyed.
Yes, up to that. Yes, good. You could find a dramatic effect here. So number one is these. 2 to 4, brainstorming. Think ahead for the answers. I will give you feedback next day. So 2, 3, 4 are homework. Okay? Think ahead. Do you know what to do?
Yes.
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 Okay, wait.
2, 3, 4 is homework, right?
Homework. Wait. Page 21, number 3 is also homework. You need to change question. You are given the answer. Change question. 2 ahead. Number 4 is homework. Consider whether the information is important or not. If it is important, defining clause. Okay. I will check it. Up to 4, do homework. If you don't know some, just skip it. And Gopio, you look stressed sometimes. Take it easy, don't worry. Right?
Yeah, can you say
Yeah,
again?
if you don't
that-
understand some lessons, just skip it. I will explain.
Yes.
Don't worry. You look so worried. And finish your homework, right? Finish your homework, everybody, and hand in through Viva. Finish your homework. Any question?
Yeah, can you say again?
have
The
to-
homework.
Homework is up to page 21. The whole we need to do that only. So 2, 3, 4. They are homework. 2, 3, 4. Key finish homework. I'm mostly I gave you homework so that we can finish the lessons quickly. Page up to 21. Sort of revision. It is.
Teacher,
Yes.
we only have to submit the writing, right?
Writing homework is writing assignment. You need to submit.
We don't have to hand over these, right?
I don't understand what you are saying. Say louder.
We don't have to hand over these homeworks, right?
No need. I will check orally. How can we finish every day? No.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Chair.
Hand writing, everyone. Yeah, you can go. I cannot stop at once.